Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we are going to make a cooling hot flash spray. So if you're a woman of a certain age, at a certain point in your life you will encounter menopause. And with menopause you get these things called hot flashes. So what we're going to do, we're going to use some simple ingredients in order to create this. We will be using witch hazel and essential oils. I have here peppermint, rose geranium, and lavender oil. Let's get started. First, we're going to use 1 ounce of witch hazel. Then we are going to use 1 drop peppermint oil, peppermint essential oil, 1 drop. There we go. And we'll use 2 drops of geranium, 2 drops. There we go. And last, 2 drops of lavender oil. There we go. I think that might have accidentally been 3. That's okay. Give it a nice little swish. Get yourself a spray bottle. This spray bottle, I purchased this for $3, roughly $3 at a craft store. Once you pour it inside your bottle, you give it a really good shake. And there you are. Now these essential oils are really good for menopause relief. And there's a nice list of different essential oils that will help if you are in distress during this time. But right now I use peppermint and geranium and lavender. I will post another video to show some essential oils that will be very helpful as you go through this time of your life. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. Whenever you feel a hot flash coming, or after you have a hot flash, give this a nice little squirt. And the essential oils will work their magic. So I hope this is helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Until next time.